It's moving day. So as you guys can see, we got everything painted. All the outlets got covers on them. We got our 220 here and over there installed, those lines. And recent update is we got our coax all hooked up. Finally have internet confirmed out here. Had my laptop out here late last night. We got garage door installation. Got it on the actual door, but also had some extra, so I put it all around the upper wall where there wasn't much insulation or any. So yeah, I think today, it's only me, unfortunately, but we will be starting to move stuff in. I think I'm gonna put the whole workbench right here. We'll figure out, I'm thinking that's where it's gonna be, just because that makes sense, because we got a door over here, and this hopefully will have a machine somewhere someday. So yeah, I'm gonna get the camera set up, and then we'll start moving. All right. Oh yeah, one more thing, just to show you guys a glimpse of what I'm moving. All of this stuff, or maybe the majority of it, maybe plus cat, will be moving from here all the way to here. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm normally pretty good about this, but apparently I set up the camera to record me, bringing stuff in, but it filled up a memory after a few minutes and then, stopped. So I just wanted to take a moment because I found this box behind some stuff. I think this should look familiar. We were just working on that before we moved here. So just want to point that out. You can see I've got the toolbox in here. That was fun to move across the grass. That had to leapfrog boards because it's still a little bit soft, or I guess it's pretty heavy too. So having 4 caster wheels, or 2 caster wheels and 2 straight wheels, digging into the grass, it wasn't very easy to move. But we got a table here. That's actually where the router goes, and then I think that's the part that goes on top of it. So that'll probably go over there. That'll go on top. And then I got a few more tables and stuff to bring in. So I'll probably just do that off camera and then show you guys how the layout is, and then start putting things where they go. So give me a minute. All right, so this is the end of moving day number 1. Got some tables and workbench stuff in. It's kind of neat. Found this guy again. Goes with that control box that we were just looking at. Brought the laser in here. Still trying to figure out the layout. Normally this table is where the router goes. I got the vacuum behind it. There's a little island piece that goes here, and then computer and the laser typically goes here. But I don't know with this shop and the layout if I want to rearrange things. So I'm trying to figure out where things go. But for right now, they're in here. They're upright. I got of course, still the top piece for the router table, and then behind me, this one goes on top of this guy. But besides that, I still got the router and the main table that goes in the middle here to bring in. I need some help with that, so I'm waiting for some help to come. Got a lot of accessories and small stuff. I got the air hose reel. Got a bunch of boxes of stuff. Got toolboxes in here. My precarious stack of stools that hold my rags. But yeah, pretty much a bunch of little tiny stuff that I myself could manage. And hopefully we'll get this stuff situated. I'll get some help to bring the table in, put it in here, and then we'll get organized. So thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll be making some good progress this week, or coming weeks, depending on if I can get some guys to come and help. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.